How to get Ventra card for college students. Ventra allows a student to get Ventra cards. There are many types of Ventra cards like Ventra card, Ventra ticket, and Ventra student card. You will choose the Ventra student card. Then you just need to apply for the Ventra student card. Go to the ventrachicago.com and apply online. They will give you the Ventra card by email. You can also purchase a Ventra student card from the Ventra vending machines. Some colleges have partnership with local transit agencies. You can also buy from college authority. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching the video.